Saving $1,000 may sound impossible, but with the right strategies, you can do it in just 30 days. Today I am breaking down 7 simple ways beginners can save $1,000 fast, without drastically changing your lifestyle. Tip 1: Track every expense. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll never save. Tip 2: Cancel one subscription. Cancel the service you use the least. This instantly frees $60 a month. Tip 3: Apply the $5 rule. Every time you spend money, save $5 in a separate account. 4 transfers a day equals $600 in 30 days. Tip 4: Meal prep and eat at home. Cooking meals at home instead of eating out. A simple breakfast, lunch and dinner plan can save $150 to $300 a month. Tip 5: Avoid impulse buys. Try the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making non-essential purchases. Most impulse buys vanish overnight. Tip 6: Automate your savings. Set auto transfers on payday. This way you'll never forget to transfer the money and it's painless, you'll never see it. Tip 7: Sell unused items. Go through your closet, drawers, garage or old electronics and sell the items online or locally. Most can make $100 to $300 this way. Combine all 7 strategies and you could easily save $1,000 in 1 month. Start today and build momentum, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.